all to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be studying local variables and global variables. So I've written an example here. You can see, as this variable is declared inside the main function, it is a local variable, whereas in this example, this g that is declared outside all the functions, outside all the scope, all the blocks of functions, is a global variable. So first point that differentiates between a local variable and a global variable is, a local variable is declared inside a function, whereas a global variable is declared outside all the functions. Alright, as you can see in this example, this is a local variable declared inside the main function, or it could be any function like fun function, print function, or calculate, max function, any function, right? Second differentiation would be, whenever this local function is not initialized, it stores a garbage value. Alright, if not initialized, stores a garbage value. Alright, whereas a global variable, if not initialized, by default it is assigned a value 0. Alright, so if this g was not initialized, automatically it would assign a value 0 to it. Alright. Third point would be, whenever this local variable is created, it is when the function execution starts. This local variable is created, and when the execution of this function in which it is declared is over, this local variable is destroyed. So third point is created when function execution begins, and destroyed or lost when execution terminates. Alright, but for global variables, it is created when the program execution begins. And is destroyed only when the whole program terminates. That is, it remains in memory until the complete program has been finished, and is destroyed when complete program terminates. Alright. Now other point can be, fourth point is, this local variable is stored on stack. You must have heard about stack. Alright. And fourth point for this is that always a global variable is stored at a fixed location that is decided by the compiler. Fixed location decided by the compiler. Alright. Another point of differentiation between them is that this local variable can be accessed only within the function in which it is declared. Alright, that is within these scopes. As this L is declared within the main function, so only within these scope it can be accessed, whereas for global variable, that is, as it is declared outside all the functions, it can be used by any function. Like we could have used g over here, right? For example, say we could print its value here. Within main function, we could print printf %d g. But if we try to print it here, if g was declared here in main function and another function, say fun, we want to print, suppose like this, we want to print this L, this will throw an error. Alright. But if we had one fun function here and we want to print value for G, we can print it here. As G is a global variable, then any function of this program can use it. Alright. So this could be one disadvantage for the local variable, that it does not support data sharing. Data sharing means that it cannot be accessed by all the functions of the program. Right? Do not support data. Do not support data sharing, whereas for global variable it supports data sharing. Alright. So this was one disadvantage for the local variable, but its advantage is also there. And what is that? Local variable, its memory location is free after it comes out of its scope. That is, when the scope of this main function is finished, the memory that was allocated for this L variable will be released and can be used for other variables. But this is a disadvantage for global variables, because this G variable, as it is a global variable, it will remain inside the memory until the complete program has been terminated. Alright. So this was all about local variables and global variables. Hope you have understood. Thank you.